Very warm good morning to my lovely students. I hope so you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, I congratulate all of you for your wonderful performance in class test of chapter 1. As you know that we are doing chapter 1 of English grammar. So today we'll continue with this. So let's start today's session with full of energy. So let's start it.
Babies, again we are with chapter 1 of English grammar, that is let's revise. In our last class we did question 1 to 4. So today we are going to start with question 5, and question 5 is like this. Short out these words and put them in a correct place. Some words are given in the box. Let's read these words. Movie, young, them, arrive, him, behind, country, best, easily, rarely, off, ouch, sugar, oh, explain, because, call, until, as, among, so, never, hello, and easy. So what to do with this? We have to put these words in given places. So babies, in our last class we learnt about part of speech. So we know that what are part of speech and their examples. So let's do this question. So let's start with movie. So what is movie? Movie is noun. So it will come here. Then young. Now young is specification or speciality, you can say. So it will come in adjective. Then them is pronoun. Arrive is verb. Him is again pronoun. Behind is telling about position of something. So that will come in preposition. Country is name. So it will come in noun. Then best. Best is also quality. So that will come in adjective. After that easily. Okay, you can do that work very easily. So it's telling about how to do any work. So that is adverb. Then rarely, again adverb. Now off is conjunction. Then ouch is sudden emotion. So it comes in interjection. Then sugar is also noun. Oh, again sudden emotion. So O is interjection. Then explain is action verb. So that is verb. Then because is also conjunction. Then call is again verb. After that until is conjunction. Ours is pronoun. Among is preposition. So is conjunction. Never is adverb. Hello is interjection, and easy is adjective. So the solution of this question is like this. As you can see, all adjectives, all verbs, all pronouns, all nouns, all interjections, all conjunctions, all prepositions, and all adverbs. Now let's move to the next question, which is question 6. Cross the odd one out. So before doing this question, have a look on this table. This table tells about pronouns. So there are 3 types of pronoun: first person, second person, third person, and their subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun. So I is first person. Its subject pronoun is I. Its object pronoun is me. Its possessive pronoun is mine. Like that, we, us, ours. You, yours. You, yours. He, she, it, singular number pronoun. Now he, him, his. She, her, hers. It, its. Then plural is they, them, theirs. So these are types of pronouns, means subject pronoun, object pronoun and possessor pronoun. Now let's do this question. So we have to find out odd one. The first one is I, me, mine, my. As you know that I, me, mine are types of pronouns. So what is different in this? My is odd. Then number 2, they, their, theirs, them. So they, them and theirs are 3 types of pronouns. Then their is different. Then we, ours, are, us. So we, us and ours are different type of pronouns. So what is different? Our is different here. Now number 4, prettily, pretty, prettier, prettiest. So you can see pretty, prettier and prettiest are degrees of comparison. So what is different here? Prettily. Number 5, happy, happily, happiest, happier. So happy, happier and happiest are degrees of comparison. So what is different here? Happily. Now number 7, fill in the blanks with is, am, are, was, were, has, have or had. So we have to fill it. So this is question 7. We are going to do with one. He dash an intense chest pain yesterday. So yesterday tells about the past. So what will be here? Had. Number 2, he not feeling well, so he took. So this second form or past form of verb tells about this sentence should be in past tense, so was. Number 3, I dash an iPod, I keep it carefully. So keep the present tense, so here should be have. I have an iPod. Number 4, I dash dash waiting for you at the entrance of the hall, come fast. So come fast is in present tense, so I am waiting for you. Number 5, there dash dash more than 50 people waiting to meet the minister, but the minister did not come. So this did tells about past tense, so it should be a were. There were more than 50 people. Number 6, he dash dash some passes for the show, I will go with him. So he had some passes. Number 7, dancing dash dash a very good form of exercise. So is a very good form of exercise and exercises are good for health. Now number 8, India dash dash friendly relations with most of the neighboring countries. So India has friendly relations with most of the neighboring countries. Now let's move the next question. Next question is question 8 and that is circle the correct options. So we'll do this. A pack or troop of wolves attack the deer. So group of deer is called pack. So this is pack. Number 2, I dash dash catch or caught the last bus and went home. So went is in past tense, so here will be caught. Number 3, Mount Everest is the higher or highest. The tells us that it will be followed by the superlative degree, so it is highest mountain peak in the world. Then number 4, please open the oblique a window. I am telling about the particular window, so it should be the. Number 5, the weather is awful today or yesterday. Is means present tense, so today. Number 6, he was sure that or until he would be selected in the team. He was sure that. Number 7, it is 5 by or in my watch. By my watch, not in my watch. Number 8, I don't agree with you or over you. It is with you. So babies, that's all for today's session. I hope so you understood it very well. So thank you so much and have a happy weekend. Enjoy with your family and friends. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.